Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and I am knitting flat. I just want to show you real quick how to switch needle sizes. Right now, I am knitting flat. I'm knitting a pair of leg warmers flat, and I'm using my cable needle. It's a 24-inch cable, and I'm using size 9 knitting needles, and I have been knitting, so I have my protector on. So I just want to show you real quick how I am going to switch from my size 9 to a size 5 needle, because I have this rib stitch at the top and bottom. The bottom, I want it nice and loose so it goes over my boots nicely, but up at the top by my calf, I want it to be a little snug so that they don't fall down. So I'm going to switch to a size 5 needle. Now we knit from left to right, so I need to flop my work around so that my yarn is on the left hand side. And I'm going to pull my needle through. And because I'm using an interchangeable needle, now if you're not using an interchangeable needle, you'll just need to slide the stitches off. But I can take my needle off, and then I can insert my my soon-to-be working needle, my size 5, into, I don't even know what that's called. And then I can just slide my needle on, and so I have that, and take it off, and try not to drop it. And then I have all my stitches on there just like that, and they're ready to knit. So it's that quick and easy whenever you're switching from an interchangeable needle to a regular needle. You just want to make sure you have it backwards so that your stitches are all ready to knit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick tip, and I will see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.